Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is venomous. It is pronounced Venomous and spelt Venomous. Think venom and then us. Venomous means having or secreting venom, which is a toxic substance that can cause harm or even death. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about dangerous animals or plants. For example, you could say the snake was venomous and its bite could be fatal. Or the venomous jellyfish floated slowly past the boat. The word venomous comes from the Latin word venenum, which means poison. Do you know the difference between venom and poison? Poison is a toxin that gets into the body by inhaling, swallowing, or absorption through the skin. However, venom is injected into you, like with a snake bite. In the book Charlotte's Web by E.B. White, the character of the spider, Charlotte, is described as having a venomous bite, which she uses on her prey once they are caught in her web. Synonyms for venomous are toxic, poisonous, deadly, and dangerous. Antonyms for venomous include non-poisonous, harmless, and non-toxic. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, venomous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.